Starting with number 11. Okay, today you guys are going to learn about long division and synthetic division. You have seen synthetic division. And you guys have seen long division. It's been a long time since you've done long division. And I'm going to ask you for your homework to at least do 4 questions as long division. That is, if you don't show me the work, you're going to get them wrong. Okay? Even on the test or quiz, you guys have a quiz Wednesday, same thing. Carlos, I know you're mad about that, but you'll be fine.
We have a test when?
Wednesday.
This
quiz.
Wednesday?
Yes.
That's a lot. Over.
2.1, 2.2, and 2.3.
Oh boy.
I'm not going to review with you guys either.
Oh good.
I'm getting a note sheet just so you know.
Cool.
What's your
No,
problem
I just
today?
don't know how to do any of this.
Can I do all of them in long division if I want?
If you want to do them all in long
Because I
division,
don't like the synthetic.
you can.
No, it's easier, but I don't like it.
You're going to find that as long as you know the method, because you're going to want to do synthetic in 2.4.
Really?
So,
What?
you guys remember how to start?
Nope. It's not we're gonna start.
For which one?
Long division, this
The
one.
line thing.
That goes on the outside.
Yep.
I think all this and talk with you while you eat too. It's tasty.
So that's what we have.
Don't mention. Which one is this movie called?
The idea is, I need to multiply this x to equal 2x squared. So what do I have to multiply x to get 2x squared?
2x.
2x. I just switched up here. So it means I'm going to multiply this 2x times x and 2x times 3. So I should get and now every time when you get to this step, I put parentheses around it because you're going to subtract those numbers. That's just a rule. Subtract them. So they cancel out. So this becomes 4x, and you're going to drop down this 12 to there. Everyone good with that?
Yeah.
Now what?
Then you multiply it by 4.
So we're going to add another 4 up here. Multiply all this by 4. And get 0. So what this means is, this is your answer right here, 2x plus 4. That is, if I was to multiply 2x plus 4 times x plus 3, it would equal this.
Right.
This is another way to factor, given you already have one of the factors. You guys want another example?
Sure.
Why not?
But it's part of them.
Let's do 16. I set it up the same way, correct?
Right.
What do I multiply by first? X squared. Are you literally reading?
I'm trying to do my English homework.
Seriously?
I'll pass your test. Maybe.
Throw a negative in front of it.
No, I'm literally scanning it.
That makes more sense.
7x squared.
What's your reading level, like a 3?
What?
Don't worry about it, your hair looks beautiful.
7x
Shoot with the negative, right? So this becomes a 7x squared.
I didn't even do my hair today, Coulter.
I know, that's how amazing it looks. Seriously. So jealous. Drop down the negative 3x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what do I need to multiply this x to get 7x squared? 7x. So I get 18x, right? After I add them.
You're not gonna get 12 out of 18 times 3.
But what I don't care about this second term, just the first term.
Okay, I was very confused.
So I just need to multiply whatever number I have up here. That's what I need to multiply by this one to get that number.
So the second one is irrelevant.
So the second one was just, it comes along for the ride, and we're really not going to care about it till the end. Okay, so what do I need to multiply the x to get 18x? 18. I believe that's 54.
Yeah.
So once we add them, we get 42, correct?
Yeah. Wait, where did 54 come from?
The 18 times 3.
Oh,
Isn't that your remainder?
That's your remainder, right? So how do we write that? Do you remember?
Don't you write that over x plus 3?
Yeah.
X minus 3.
X minus 3.
Or, yeah.
You have the right
Wrong
idea.
one.
You have the right idea, Devin, so you're good. And that's it. I'm only going to ask you to do 4 on the homework.
That's a lot.
I'm aware of
Especially for someone who doesn't know how to do long division in the first place.
it. I know. I hate it. Do you want to learn the easy way now?
I used to know how, but then they
Don't
would do it
understand
for
it
so
anyway.
long that I forgot.
Synthetic calculator.
Okay.
I don't think the calculator will do
See, I wasn't the one
You know
who
what,
said it.
Carlos? Your calculator can't do this. Mine can. Yours can't.
Cheater. I
No?
think calculator.
Okay. Let's do synthetic division now. The easier version. Okay. It's 28. Let's start there. That doesn't show up that well.
Can you please not use red?
I'm not using red. So sad.
It's just that one little, it's like a 3-inch space right there that you can't see anything.
It's a stupid light. Okay.
Did you cover it up?
I have a solution. You guys remember how to do synthetic division?
Oh, no.
Okay, for those, what do I do first?
You do a little box thing.
Draw a little box thing. What do I put in the little box?
Is it 3, but is it a negative 3 or a positive 3?
It's a negative 3. We take whatever number this is and flip the sign.
Okay. But isn't it, if it's already negative, don't you leave it negative?
No.
No? Okay.
If it was x equals, then we just take that number, which you guys will have homework off that.
Okay.
All right? So what do I do now?
You bring down all of the values in front of your x's. you
So-
turn
Oh, I remember how.
You bring down
And
your
your
coefficient.
sign.
We're going to call them coefficients. Bring
And
down
your
your
sign.
coefficients. So 5, 18, 7, and negative 6.
A, B, C, D.
Now what?
Bring down.
So, if you guys are taking notes and don't remember how to do synthetic division, we bring down the 5 every time. Our first number, we bring it down. So, on your notes, you may want to write that. Always drop down the first number. And some people like this line so they can keep it straight. Now what?
Don't you times it?
Yeah, we go negative 3 times 5, so it gives us negative 15. And then we just add, correct?
Yep.
We don't throw in a negative or anything like that. So this becomes 3, negative 9, negative 2, 6, and 0. If we had a number there, what would that number be?
The remainder.
The remainder. Also, it would be a solution. That means if you were to evaluate a function at a number, that would be the number output.
I got lost around negative 15. Can you redo it?
Yes. So, negative 3 times 5. This is negative 15. Add those together. Add or subtract.
Oh, okay.
Is it always add?
Yeah.
Yes.
Add or, because based off the terms this one, we're subtracting or adding, it turns into negative. Okay. Does that help, Kayla? So you got the rest down?
No.
Once you get 3, negative 3 times 3. It's negative 9.
Oh, so it's like a little
Yep.
zigzag thing.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what do I do with this though?
Don't you like, wouldn't it be like, it's like 5x squared
5x squared.
plus 3x minus 2?
So the idea is we had an x cubed, an x squared, knock it down 1, and therefore we get the 5x squared, x, and then just no x at all. Is that easier?
Wait,
Yeah.
I still want you to know how to do long division though. Don't forget that. Just for a couple questions on that. Okay, let's do a different one. There's a trick I wanted you guys to be aware of. So 34. So synthetic division, what goes in my box?
6.
Okay, what about the numbers?
3, negative 16, and
And a
negative
0
7.
and a 70.
Yeah, that's right. You do.
We need that 0.
Wait, why?
Because
Oh,
there's
because
no
there's no.
X.
Because there's no x term. So you need that phantom 0. That's what I like to call it. I give it a funny name, or a cool name. Not funny. I give it a cool name. So don't forget the phantom 0. The idea is we have to count it down. So imagine we had a plus entered right there. Because 0 times x is just what?
0.
0. So, please do not forget the phantom 0. I guarantee I'm going to test you on it. Clear? Just do like normal, alright? Drop down the 3. 3 times 6.
18.
So you get 2. 12. 12.
17.
So how do I write this one though?
3x squared.
And that's it. Overall, does that seem simple?
Yes.
Okay. You guys only have 18 problems today. Well, because I'm making 5 of them long division. So, The other ones that I'm not going to go over, just so you guys can hear it. The other ones it says evaluate. So if you were to look at 56 through 58, this is f of 1. Plug 1 into your little box. Evaluate it the same way, and the number you get out here, that's the correct answer. That's the answer you're looking for. I'll show examples when you guys get to it. I'll help you out. The other ones, if you look at 60 to 66, it says x equals this. Whatever x equals, that's the number that goes in this box automatically.
Right.
All right? Good? Okay, let me write the assignment on the board. And make this due Wednesday. Let me stop it.
Cut.